nič 2 evra, to je 0,2 centa, je vredna ena slovenska beseda v slovarju slovenskega knjižnega jezika. Zato pa Alenčica na hearingu vse pove v angleščini, ki ga vsi razumejo itak brez prevajalca. Hello, my name is Alenka Bratušek, coming from Slovenia. Like a chief of parliament for the commissariat for the energetics, for the capitalism, for the Juncker Yes. We are the specialists for energetics. We have built a thermonuclearic house in Slovenia. It's called like T6, is TE6 for, it's like, you know, thermonuclearic on the Lopata. It's on, is how to say, how you say coal? How you say coal? How do you say coal? Not coal, like the black hard benzene from, like it's not, you know, put the benzene in the locomotiva and the locomotiva goes choo-choo and like the locomotive. And we make a nuclearic plant in the Slovenia on the choo-choo hard benzene on the black Lopata in Šoštar we make on the terrain where there is no coal around. It's like you make in Arabia nuclear electron on water. The same. We make in Slovenia. For milliard and yes, like so. And do everybody understand what I'm talking about? Does everybody understand what I'm talking about? Yeah, no? Please say yes. You understand? Okay. Everybody understand what I'm talking about? So, now is the question. If everybody understands what I'm talking about, why should I speak better English? Yeah, everybody understands.